Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. As you can see, I'm driving around right now because I'm trying to get a feel of the stock transmission. When it shifts gears, how the gears feel. And overall, on my C250, it's more of a luxury feel. It's not aggressive. The shifts are kind of slow, kind of laggy. There's not a lot of torque between gear shifts, but it's really smooth. So I guess Mercedes kind of did their job of detuning the transmission so it's more of that luxurious feel. But with that being said, that actually jeopardizes a lot of performance that you can get out of the transmission. What we want, the enthusiasts, we want more performance. We want quicker shifts, faster shifts, more torque. So this is how you do it. So this is what we're going to be installing today. It's called the T-Box from Tornado Tuning. If you're interested in buying this for your car, feel free to reach out to my buddy NARESH. I left his contact information in the description below. So what cars can use this T-Box? This T-Box is for the C250, C300, E-Class, any Mercedes, any Porsche, any Audi, any Toyotas that have an ODB2 connector. And if you want to improve the transmission, this is plug and play and it's fully reversible. All you have to do is follow the same steps to install it, to uninstall it. So how does this tune box work? Essentially, it's a plug and play tune that will tune your TCU of your transmission. The TCU is the brains of the way your transmission operates. This will optimize the settings and the different parameters so you get quicker, faster shifts, you get more torque, and it's been seen to also give you better fuel economy as well. But let's get to the install. So I've been driving around for a bit and I can definitely tell that my shifts are a lot quicker. The car is still smooth between gear shifts, but it's definitely quicker. You can also tell because it holds the RPM a lot higher before it shifts. And when it shifts, it's not violent at all. It doesn't bog down. And this TCU tune in combination with the DV Plus diverter valve, I think really helps performance between the gears. So the TCU is optimized so it shifts quick, and as soon as it shifts, the diverter valve helps maintain boost, and then you're off and going. I think it's a really good combination overall. So I just switched my car to manual mode and I'm going to use my paddle shifters. Wow, it's definitely an improvement between the upshifts. Definitely faster. The lag is not completely gone, but it's definitely an improvement over the stock TCU parameters for the manual mode. I'm impressed. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.